Hi, welcome to the vlog.
Hi, welcome to the vlog.
There's two of us vlogging today, myself and Liam in the background. Just went to run a small errand, drop something off, and you know, sometimes it's fun to just take the advice of a 3-year-old. Liam was insisting we just go for a walk in the forest, so why not? I also thought this is a good little chance to try out this new camera. I don't know if you can tell anything different right now. I don't talk too much about what gear I use, but, well, I'll see if this looks any better quality than what I've been using. So let's see. I won't tell you what I'm shooting with, but let's just see how it looks. A bit of a look at some Finnish nature in the city of Turku. Little Finnish forest walking close to home. We'll explore a few more places over the next couple of days. Looking forward to that. Little family trip. Liam just remembered we're going on a holiday. I'll see you tomorrow.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye-bye.